Hello everyone, how are you today? This is Andy. Welcome to ATE channel, affordable to everyone. Today I would like to share with you how to make a camera slider which is very small, compact and can freely move on a small space like a working desk like this, and you can make a very short footage like this. And what if it is very cheap and even costs nothing? Because I believe that most of the components in this video you already have or you can easily buy from everywhere. So I believe that you will love this stuff which I will show you right now. Let's go. Okay, first thing first, you might need something can move roll slide, which I have in my house for furniture movers. You can find it from Amazon with the link I share in the description below or anywhere you can buy it. And you just need one of them for this video. Let's start with the console connector, which is super cheap and you can find it anywhere. You need to put the connector to the mover from the bottom up and tighten it. Don't be worried about the hole because the console base is much bigger, it cannot come through. Then you will put another nut into the console as well. Now we need to make it higher for the space from the mover base to the holder for your action. And you need to have something to do this, a 1/4" mount adapter, and just tighten them. This one, now we almost done for the base. Now we will connect the phone holder or camera holder to this slider. This is quite easy because everyone already got the holder or kind of the headboard in daily operation, isn't it? So you just use it. But I love to use the mount NT11 from Ulanzi because this function is super to me. You see, this is beautiful for sure. Yeah, I love the beautiful thing. And you can use for the both camera and the mobile phone with just this mount. Wow, this is really cool. Wow, I like it. Okay, we're done in just some minutes for the super slider. Wow, this is fantastic. It's simple and cheap, isn't it? I will put on the link about the component that I used in this video in the link description below. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe for another amazing video. Thank you for today and goodbye. See you in next video.